Got another cane to work on. I'm gonna do plain. This can be a plain walking stick. I mean walking cane. Handle. I'm gonna do this plain. Okay, yesterday I rounded this over. Next thing I gotta do is I want to do the bottom part. So, drill it with the 1 inch Forstner bit. I've talked about this before, but you want to use a 1 inch Forstner bit. And you drill about 75% of the way down the hole. So, I'm gonna drill it 75% of the way down the hole, and then we'll work on the shaft, attaching the shaft to the cane. And I'm not going to glue it, but I'm going to sand it. And then after that, I'll sand it. Okay, I'm going to start drilling the hole. The hole is now drilled. The hole is drilled into. Now I'm going to. Sorry, handle, not shaft. Dummy. Now I'm going to put it to the shaft. I'm going to carve it out in there. And that should not be too much to do. I'm going to carve it in there. The thing you want to do, stick your finger in there. Or something like that, next to your finger next to it. Put your finger in there. You come in like this. You transfer it over to your cane. You make that mark. Okay, it's time to sand the shaft, which, by the way, you probably can't see it. Maybe I can't. You can. Maybe NJT is on there. I'll sand this. Important little note to make. When sanding, try to stay away from this spot here. Try to stay away from It's now time to sand the shaft. Okay. I have to put epoxy on this. And I made a mark. So you have to put the mark, you have to match it up with the mark. Make sure that's center line. This has happened to me before. So, okay, let me explain. The handle is not exactly snug on the cane shaft, but you can fix that problem. It's an easy, it's happened before, so I can fix it. I know what to do. You want to use 5-minute epoxy. This is important. Use gel. So I'm gonna take this gel epoxy, shove it up into the handle, and put it in there. So I'm gonna do the application next on this. So we'll do the application with this one Stepcon. Make sure you use gel. Do not use the regular one. Use gel epoxy. Okay, the cane is in the handle. I'm pushing on it right now and it's not coming off. I think I'm going to have to size it down until about 35 inches. So I'm going to size it down. So I got to move up on the grits here. 60 grit, 150, 220, and then 320. I'm not, maybe I'll show some, but I ain't going to show all of it. Okay, I gotta talk for a second before I go on and put the finish on there. This is linseed oil. I put orange oil and lemon oil in this for a reason. The number one reason I put it in there is it helps preserve the linseed oil. So when I put it on the stick, it gets deeper into the wood. That's the main reason I did this. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I'm just gonna keep putting oil on this thing. Actually, this piece of wood here, it's been drying for the handle. That's been drying for over 6 years, actually, believe it or not. So it'll probably absorb a lot of oil. The shaft, on the other hand, has been about 3 years of drying time. Just never got around to it. But it's sucking up oil already. But we're done. We are done.